My name is Vani. Today we are going to see how to deploy a static website using Microsoft Azure. So my teammates are Santosh, Sumant and Bhargavi. We have worked on a project and our project name is Education Hub. Santosh is an admin of our team and also developer of our website. Sumant and Bhargavi has taken the responsibility of collecting all the data for website and prepared all documentation for the project. And my responsibility is deploying a project. Now I am going to show you how to deploy a static website using Azure portal. This is the Azure portal. Those are the services, and first you need to click on create resource. Go to the search bar, search for storage account. We need to create a storage account. Click on storage account, click on create, and we will go to the basics. In basics we have project details and instead details. First go to the subscription, and the subscription is a free trial. And next resource group, you can create the resource group. Click on create, give a name to the resource group. My resource group name is EduHub RG. And coming to instant details, select the storage account name. You have to give the name to the storage account name. Next region, you have to select the region, and I have to select the US East US. And next performance is standard, and redundancy is geo redundancy storage, and click on next button. Next it will go to the advanced. In advanced you have blob storage. Select the allow cross tenant replication. Next access tier, you have to select the hot. Go to the next review plus create. It is in process of validation, and you have to wait few minutes for validation. And here you can see our details. Previously what we are giving the details, you have to see here. And next click on create. In pop-up message you can see the initialization of deploying, submitting the deployment. And now you can see here successfully deployed. Next we have to go to the resource. Go to the search bar. You have to search for static website. Select the static website. Enable the static website. Here we can see index document name and error document path. In index document name we need to provide a index.html. In error path document we need to provide 404. Next click on save button. It is successfully updated. Go to the search bar. Search for containers. Click on containers. Select the web. Next click on upload. Here I can upload our website files. Next click on overwrite, then click on upload. It will take few seconds for uploading the files. Now successfully uploaded the files. Next go to the overview, then next go to the resource. Now we can search for static website. Click on static website. In this we have primary endpoint and secondary endpoint. We need to click on primary endpoint, copy that endpoint. Now click on new tab, paste it the browser, and here you can see our website. It is our live website. Go back to the Azure portal. Next search for data protection. And the data protection in data management. Click on data protection. In recovery, enable the Azure backup block. Select the backup vault. We create a vault. Give the name to the vault. Next, by defaultly it give the resource group and local redundant. So click on create. It will take few seconds for deployment. You can see in pop-up message. Now we can successfully deploy it. And next go to the manage identity. Here you can see the Azure role assignment. Click on the Azure role assignment. In that we have add the assignment role, and next select the scope. We can give here resource group. Now we can select the role as owner. Next save. Now it is added the role. Next go to the data protection. We have backup policy. We have to select it. Create a policy for backup. Give name to the policy. And next go to the review plus create. Here you can see the details of policy for backup. And next click on create. It takes few seconds for updating. Now it is creating successfully. Then scroll down, click on save button. It is updating. We have see in pop-up messages. It takes few seconds. Just wait for updating. Successfully updating the Azure backup settings. The data validate successfully updated. Now in search bar, you can search for Q&A makers. Click on it, and these are AI services. Now click on create. In basic details, we need to select the language. In that, select the custom question and answers. Click on continue to create your resource. We need to fill the details. In resource group, which is created before, and next in instead details, we need to select the region same as before we have selected. Next, give the name. And next, pricing tier as free. Click on checkbox. Go to the review plus create. It is validating the details. Now it is successfully validated. Here we can click the create, and we can see the pop-up message. It is initializing the deployment. It takes few seconds. Here we can see the deployment, and after that go to the resource, select the language, and next click on get started with language. Here we need to sign in. Here we can see the select an Azure resource in that Azure directory, and it is by default. And next, Azure subscription, it is free trial. And next, resource name, and click on done. Next, click on create new. You have to select custom question and answers. Here you have to select the first one. Click on next. Here you need to give the project name, and my project name is Education Hub. In the description, you have to give the main point, and my description is online education course. Click on create project. After few seconds, the notification show as successful uploaded project. After that, click on add resource. Select the files. We need to add file. Give name to the source file, and choose the file in our file manager. And next, in classify structure, it will give auto detect, and click on add all. It is in progress, so wait few seconds. click on the education of Chartboard Excel, and here you can see our Chartboard questions and answers. Then now click on deploy knowledge base. Next click on deploy and click on deploy. It is in progress. It is successfully deployed. See here. Now click on create a board and it open on new tab. Here we need to fill up the basic details for custom deployment. The subscription are free trial and resource group, and it is by default. The name is already created for resource group. Click on next. In that app service plan, we have to click on create new app service plan. Next, language resource key. In that we need to give language resource key. Go to the deployment knowledge, go to settings. In that we can see the resource key. We need to copy it and paste it in the language resource key. Next, click on review plus create. It is in progress, so wait few seconds. It is upgraded to custom deployment, and now click on the create, and it is initializing the deployment. Now it is successfully deployed. Go to the resource group. Now click on Azure bot option. Next click on channels. We need to select the Microsoft Teams. In that click on checkbox and agree. Click on apply button. Here saving the Microsoft Teams channel, and it is successfully enabled. Now close the tab. And here we can see the channels which are connected to the bot. It shows as a healthy status. Click on web chat and click on default site, and here we can see the code, embedded code. We have to copy it. Next go to the home, and here click on storage account. Search for containers. Click on containers, and next click on web. Here we can see the chartboard HTML. Have to click on it. View and edit. Here paste the embedded code below the navbar. Save it. Next go to the web chat. Here copy the secret keys. Go back to the containers. containers chartbot HTML, and here remove the your secret here, paste the secret keys and save it. Preview it. Next edit, and next go to the home. Next go to the home. Here click on storage account and search for static website. Click on it. Next go to the primary endpoint, copy the URL link and go to the Chrome tab and paste it. This is our website. Now we can see the courses page. In this page we are telling about the our featured courses like fundamental of UX education, tech integration, research methods and education, and so on. And next it has the explore top subjects. Now in market, what kind of topmost subjects running in the market. Here we are provided that AI programming, robotics, IT programming, digital programming, marketing, Power BI, and so on. And next coming to about us, it tells about the history of our site, what kind of things we are providing here. In this, if you have any queries, then you can feel free to ask any kind of queries chatbot, and here the AIs will resolve any kind of issues you are facing. In example, what type of courses are there in our website, like that. If you ask any queries, and it will give the answers like this. Go to the login page, and here you can log in with your existing email or existing credentials, and if you don't have any account, then sign up with your name, email and password, like this. This is ending of our website. Thank you.